So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change language on eBay. So first of all, once you go to ebay.com, you're going to see a screen looking something like this. It's going to be in English. So from here you can see your name, you can see the sell, watch list, your eBay notifications, as well as your shopping cart. And you can see underneath everything is in English and it's usually in dollars. So if you scroll all the way down, you can see here eBay site. Now from here, if it's offered in a different language, it's gonna pop up right about there, and you can change the language through there. But you should consider using different sites, but make sure that you have your currency calculator with you, since it's gonna probably change the currency as well. So let's use Japan site to see the difference. So through here, if I go to ebay.co.jp, you can see Google Translate. Everything, the default language for this site is Japanese. So I've changed everything. Now it's in Japanese. But I can switch it through Google Translate to English. If I go back, it's gonna switch back to English. So you'll need to use a certain country's site, and there's a lot of countries, so you can choose with different languages what you would use. So if you go to Brazil, it's going to be in Portuguese, and you can see here a lot of it is still in English, but you can switch it back through Google Translate as well if it's offered as an option. So if you go to Turkey, some sites don't even allow for those languages. So make sure that you use sites like Japanese, the German, the Spanish, and so on, that they will actually switch languages. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye.